This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joe in Callaway. Gulf Harbour Yacht and Country Club. Beautifully updated Monarch second floor model with 2,277 SF, 3-bedroom, den and 2 baths. Panoramic Westerly lake and golf course views with sunsets 365 days a year. Great room concept with vaulted ceilings in the kitchen, dining, and living room. White custom kitchen cabinetry, quartz counters, ceramic backsplash, stainless appliances, pantry, large island, and breakfast bar. Kitchen Eatin and living room walk out to private wrap-around tiled lanai with electric storm screens. Primary bedroom has tray ceiling, walk-in closet and opens to lanai. Primary bath has custom comfort height cabinetry, quartz counters, shower frameless enclosure, tiled surround, and comfort height toilet. Guest bedrooms have walk-in closets and guest bath has custom comfort height cabinetry, quartz counters, and comfort height toilet. Fresh paint throughout, luxury vinyl flooring, laundry cabinetry, new washer dryer and refrigerator, wide driveway for easy access, air conditioner 2015, water heater 2021, steps away from the community pool. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe in Callaway at 239-980-9999.